Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is I, BVF Collection, Bad Vibes Server Collection, bringing you yet another unwrapping, unboxing type video. In today's video, we got ourselves 3 hoodies to open. We got ourselves an orange hoodie with black embroidery, keel hand zip up, by the way, as well as a white hoodie with pink embroidery, also keel hand zip up. And in this right package, we got ourselves a XXL Japan exclusive. Very rare, awesome, bluish, black hoodie or whatever. Very awesome. Can't wait to open that. Shout out to Mike for sending me that. And also shout out to Scuba Steve for also sending me his order. So I'm going to be sending this to him, or one of the hoodies to him. And his other hoodie that he got here is for his brother. And it's just all awesome. He sent it to me basically so I get to make some content on it for you guys. With all that said and done, let's go ahead and get into it. This came Friday. This came just now today. Let's get into it. So right off rip, opening is very easy, very breezy, and very beautiful. I can already see it pop out right here. So first, let's go ahead and take out what we see. Holy. The white and pink embroidered contrast zip. Holy crap, look at that tag. Oh, yeah, large tag. They're a little bit different this year. We got the good old-fashioned keel hand bag. Very nice. Love these. That's that right there. And as you guys know, I like to take pictures dead stock, so that's what I'm going to do after I take this out. But first, let's go ahead and check out the receipt. So we got both the pieces right here, the XXL in the orange and the large for his little brother. All right. Move that to the side. Let's go ahead and take out the orange now. Very excited to try on this. Sick. That embroidery is clean. That orange blank is sick. The black contrast zip, super sick. XXL with that terry right there too. All right. So we got these 2 hoodies. We got this hoodie that needs to be open. But before that, you know the drill. Got to take some dead stock photos of these 2. And once I do that, we'll get into the unwrapping of these pieces as well as this piece, mine. Anyways, see y'all in a jiff. Later. And just like that, we're back. You already know the vibes. We're going to go ahead and open up the orange one first because I like that one better, personally, unique colorway. And then we'll open up my package last. So let's go ahead and open up the XXL orange contrast zip with the keel hand on the back. Let's go ahead and move these to the side, actually, so we can give this the full attention it deserves. Let's go ahead and take it out. Boom. Okay, already off rip. I'm loving the feeling. It's nice and like, let me move you guys up a little bit. And no, never mind, it's just normal tear. You got the anarchy up here now, and the size right here now, instead of this being on the back, saying XXL. But yeah, let's go ahead and just open it up. I want to do this. I want to open it up like this. Let's open it up. I want to see how they fold it. Okay. Okay. Hood goes up. These are folded like that. Oh crap, you guys get to see the keel hand first. Holy. Jeez. That's like small. It's kind of small for the XXL. It looks nice. Jeez, this looks beautiful in person. Camera too. I'm not a big fan of these lines too much. But still, on the black, you can't even tell. Jeez, that is dope. Then you know, the usual. Revenge is in the creator's hands at the bottom. Wow. So want to check out the front. Pretty heavy. Classic Terry vibes. The orange. That's a nice logo. That is a nice logo. I'm liking the hood. I'm liking this a lot. I was thinking about getting the black and white one, but I passed. You already know, keel hand zipper, by the way. Let's go and open it up. Check out the inside. Okay, just how I assumed. It's literally just straight through, no layer, extra layer. Interesting. Still feels nice. Let's go and check out. Okay. Oh yeah, there is a tag. I was like, there's no tag. Got this tag right here. And Anarchy, same as up there, but made in Los Angeles. This is a different tag. 100% cotton, and then dry instructions or wash instructions, made in Vietnam. So there's that. Yeah, definitely excited to try this on, even though it's not mine. Shout out Scuba Steve again. Let's go ahead and move his. Don't mind the folded, Scuba Steve. Don't mind the folding. It's embroidery. It's okay. Let's go ahead and do the pink now. I can't believe his little brother, who's not even a teenager, by the way, got a white hoodie. This thing is not going to be clean past this video. I'm telling you that right now. But that embroidery looks beautiful. Jeez, that looks super clean. Okay, let's go ahead and do the same. Actually, no, let's just open it up like this time. Nice. This thing's beautiful. Wow. Wow, out of all the colorways, this is the best. This pink with this white flows perfectly. With the pink contrast zip, or the contrast stitch, Vengeance the Creator's hands is kind of hard to see, but still, super clean. Right now you got the Killing zip, and then the tag, size large, Anarchy, and you already know what's inside, so I'm not going to bother opening this one up. Actually, I will. Just for the content. For the content. Gotta see what it looks like on the inside. What the heck? That looks pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. This looks really cool. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up. Or not open it up. Let's go ahead and show the kill hand. Whoa! This is a beautiful colorway. With the white, it goes so good with the white. In person, looks so clean. I love it. I love it. Embroidered kill hands, guys. I can't believe we're in an era where we get embroidered kill hand hoodies. I love it. I can't not love it. This is beautiful. Drop dead gorgeous beautiful. All the women out there that got this, freaking looking steezy with this thing. I'm freaking hyped. Wow. Okay. Very cool. Like in this lighting right here, like it shines. Look at that. So sick. So sick. We're going to go ahead and put this and fold this up a little bit as well. So, yeah, sorry. It's not going to get dirty, I swear. It's still clean. But now, moment of truth, for me at least. That was probably the hype portion for a lot of people because, you know, new job. No one really has it in person, so it's kind of cool to see. But this right here. Again, shout out to Mike. A little backstory on this real quick. This hoodie was sitting on Mercari and Grail for like 6 months. Honestly, like 8 months. I messaged him in like July. Ended up freaking dropping the price down a bunch, chilling, and just sat. And then my boy Mike freaking bought it. And I was like, no, because I was going to end up buying it after the bad drop because there's a bad drop coming soon. He ended up buying it, and I was like, no. Then he got it. And I'm not sure why he sold her, why he wanted to sell it. I forgot why. I forgot what he said, or if he said something. I'm kind of like talking to him right now about it anyway, so I'll figure that out after this video. But he ended up selling it to me for what he paid, and I couldn't be more grateful. And I did it through friends and family PayPal, which is known to be like not the thing to do, but I trust him. He's freaking a day one homie now. And yeah, let's open her up. Boom, hoodie exposed. Hoodie is exposed. Let's go ahead and fold this. So yeah, let's fold it back just a little bit so it doesn't get sticky. Let's bring out the hoodie. We got the skull chilling off rib. Very nice. Let's go and open it up slowly. Boom. Bam. And voila. Yes. 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 I got it. I freaking got it. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, it's like really puffy and like wrinkled right there. It's really wrinkled right here too. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh my gosh. Okay, condition, as you guys can tell, it is not that clean, okay? It's fairly cracked, but that's okay because of this right here. Boom. The XXL Japan exclusive ARC logo. The only blue ARC logo that still had the narrowness. Yeah, no kill with this. We got the lightning logo one with the kill, but no ARC logo. Wow, it's here. I actually got it. I'm so glad I freaking have this now. Holy. Yeah, rocking right after this. Let's go ahead and check out if it's got it does. I can feel it already. The independent tag. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And last but not least, let's go ahead and check out that archive skull. It's going to be like the second or third, maybe, no, it's like fourth archive logo that I own. I actually really like it. It's a nice switch up from all the kills that I own, you know? So we got a lot of missing puff up here. You guys can tell, a lot of cracking. But no matter. Makes it more wearable. You know what I'm saying? Oh, freak. I love it. I love it so much. So let's go ahead and get all these hoodies out. Get a nice thumbnail real quick for you guys. So boom. Let's just keep it like, yeah, like that, boom. Let's go ahead and get the white on the right, because white is right. Pause. Boom. Okay, actually, we're going to zip it up. We got to zip it up. Holy crap, video's going to go long, a little bit longer than I anticipated now. Maybe I shouldn't have unzipped it. You know what? All right, we're just gonna do this. That did not work as I planned. Kind of doing this off camera, sort of, sorry. Boom. Logo. Let's tuck this underneath so you see the other logo. How's that? That's good. All right, let's go ahead and move these packages out of the way. Get the orange out here. Boom. Oh, this one's heavy because it's double XL. Real nice. Let's go ahead and do that. Fold this underneath. Boom. Bam. Packages are falling. Packages are falling. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, sorry for the crappy camera angles. This is definitely unnecessary, but necessary for the thumbnail. Because look at this. Ready? Boom. Look at that shot. Beautiful shot. Worth it. Worth the extra time. Anyways, with all that said and done, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, concerns, all that good stuff. And yeah, turn on notification bells if you're subscribed too, so you can see all the new videos I post. Unboxing videos, reviews, freaking a bunch of stuff coming. Anyways, thank you guys so much again for watching. This has been BVF Collection. It's tuning out. Have a great day.